hosting one of the champion leaders of note. We are going to speak to Mr. Nkwanyani, who's leading the Patriotic Front of Azania here in Thabo. Mr. Nkwanyani, would like to thank you for the moment that you have provided to us. Where did it all begin? Yes.
I live up politics in 1996. I joined the ANC Youth League. So I live like a politiki until there are lots of things that change amongst the jolly puto. Not welcome as such. Amongst the jolly puto, if man or yana just come as over, give all the kaka or the politiki. Because when I says, till on a free state, Samorao, Kamesha Hulu Samorao. In a car and Kai Banka get hold Yamerabi. Because no less politics are on a signal to Yamerabi. Personal Merabi benefit of Feta Merabi Emi. Along Rona, but what free start, Basot. Into young long, Casaletimo. Our Chakalical put a cabo whole ballon. But Chakalical put up a specific mine in Zaro. I was a basic municipality in Zaro. Kameka Hulari puts up to A1 or an Senator Bapelo to the name.
Yes.
Ratakale are the one that one about Timona. Lanaka do la Fato to a specifically Kabakala COVID, who took a match last year. Kakopana, one day, Tima placing a Bobetle, major local kilometer Tima Plasi. Bobe Bertaville, Rakopana, Rawisa, and Neman. Tamelo bele peto. El peto yaron. Tamelo to calento la rona batwa free start. Covid a register pas until be relaunch mokgatlo wa rona ka the 15th August last year 2020.
Before we go to Patriotic Front of Azania, you did highlight that you were part of the ANC Youth League in 1996. So what politics at that time were?
Ntongo longo ntse tsama hantle ka ga le jole putso. Kopla Hanse get like a whole hand. High and seen it gala, Honka di head. It get a Inca Ebea Premier ya bill. Ellen Tete Terralco. The Terralco to Lato Bona Free State Mona. Kamabaka Satse Bahali. That's one leadership here. Kamara Mono, the province said the Nine Kaufe. Relarabale, the leadership, said the province, selling the Premier. Kelaka Shokomera, the province in Nakaufello. The province said 80 of them. Once you become a chairperson of the ANC in the province, automatically become a premier.
Yes.
But it was only Free State. Yes, had been the chairperson in Arona, even that is Mahashul, Ebanyana premier Aron.
Then you launched the Patriotic Front of Azania. It was only you or you had other members?
The president Arona, Patriotic Front of Azania. Kentate Jeje Maseko.
Yes.
The Odula Betle. Our national chairperson Arona, K. Jacob Mutawu. Then Benzer Joale Henzer is a province. Retaliant town at some toy Galahape, a Gala province Odula Mayo. Koana Nula Sirle Misere, who is Samoha. Our main focus is 2024 election or Rekene, Kara Parliament.
The vision behind Patriotic Front of Azania, what is it?
Vision number one, equitable distribution of wealth, excellence of wealth and wellness schemes, clean, safe water and sanitation.
So, basically targeting the issue of water and sanitation, in which we know that in Machabi it's serious concern. People they drink unhealthy water.
Yes, sir.
So, have you led any campaign whereby the PFA in general, it did much to municipal offices to fight about the water?
Oh, yeah, come home to call a pattern, you can level it in. Ralph Manora, Anna Mata, it's a match all over. Okay. All over, what I was of Phototansa, Sama shopping coffee, Kakaritsu, Slons, my good lover. Renamata Tamangat, or Renalbat Human Settlement, yes, I did say, I tell of Manana, the pedestrian cross. This is an into the deal of Shoko, I recommend you a shock. e etsa distomoto tsa teng tse e le gore distomoto tsa teng drainage tsa teng ga di sebetse hantle re batla Matjhabeng e etse dintho tsa distomoto ne tse e le gore motho wa kgona go kena ka tlasa yone o kgona go tswelela la ka nnane a kgone go e cleana a kgone go cleana o bonagale ka se ya gone ke be hantle e keng ga monate jalo ka Velkom ne re tseba go tloa ga ntse re tla re gola.
In 3 weeks, what can people expect from PFA in 2024?
Ko hlabolla maphelo a rona ka ga Freestata ka ga South Africa as whole re bone batho ba thola metsi a clean batho ba dula plekeng tse hantle re nyolle standard level tsa di-area tsa rona.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are engaging with the second panelist from PFA. His name is Mr. Sello. He has over 15 years experience in the field of politics. He has been doing well. He has been serving the members of his society, and he was a dedicated member of the African National Congress. He has now joined the PFA, in which he hopes to make sure that the dreams of the people are reached. Dr. Sello, thanks very much, sir, for giving us your time to interview. Ntate Sello o hlaya kae ke moahi wa kae?
Ya originally ya ke holetse Blazing e bitswa Motshabelo ka mo Mangaung municipality.
Yes.
So I had to give mo Velkom ka baka la tsaba tsa bo mosebetsi wa tswa di batlile mo I ka mo Velkom is where I kile ka eba engaged too much mo di politiking. I end up being in love with the politics because of situations se ile ka kopana sona ka ra Matjhabeng.
Yes.
Because Matjhabeng, when Kifika Mona, I find out Matjhabeng is the only drop along Kifmano into the thing, Hadiezale, because there is no transparency. I end up being a member of the ANC Youth League, being there because Hakifika Mona, my mother, wanted more informal settlement in the problem cash. So I end up being there, Kisabiti Batubale, more problem cash. I was the youngest car problem cash, wanted to receive it. So kibile party ANC na kwenye telele karata ANC until nale ANC kikenya divorce ka ANC.
Yes.
Yes, that.
So what led basically to you move from the ANC?
Ke motho mongwe sa rateng ha ke bua like ka interview. I don't like to mention motho because now ke member PFA ke batho a difference mo setšhabeng sa rona sa Matjhabeng. Ke kgotsofetse ka PFA because of the vision of PFA for now. It's nice. It's sharp for na, it's sharp for setšhaba sa Matjhabeng. Even if re tlo tla re rekisa vision ya rona ka hara ba setšhaba sa Matjhabeng. Re mmoho re tlo etsa ntho re tlo e etsa. Le setšhaba sa Matjhabeng re tlo ntshetsa Matjhabeng pele. Re tlo etsa Matjhabeng e be le moruo o leng hore ke moruo e leng hore re o share le batho ba Matjhabeng as a whole. Wa bona? Ke batho ke nana hore re tlo bolela nnete e leng hore ke nnete re tsebang because of firstly re utlwe bohloko, firstly re ropuwe, firstly mo go tswang teng re sebedisitswe but re gainile nothing. Why would you see?
Yes.
The only thing that we have gained is this thing, a small thing about feeling on between CWP. But it doesn't matter. Hadito rona, di tla kae go batho ba bona. Ke mesebetsi mo kae ka Matjhabeng e leng when mesebetsi tla ka Matjhabeng di trucks di a tswa ka mo di bus di a tswa di phone call di a tswa batho ba phone ba kokotola bosibu but lona batho ne kgale le ya udimo lefatshe le ntho le organization ha ona le etsetsa next.
The PFA, how is it going to make that change? How is it going to be different from the ANC?
Firstly, ntho ke batlang hore ke emphasize mona ke ntho ya hore PFA ntho e leng concern ho lo ka yona ke crime ka Matjhabeng. Matjhabeng it turn a blind side when it comes to crime. Now re na le di matters re di bitsang re na le rape the housebreaking ntho tse ngata tse etsalang ka mona. We even saw our child ba rekisetswa dinyaope government di polisa a rona ba iketse ka ba bone ene ba tseba hore na ntho tsena di etswa ke bo mang. Wa utlwisisa at the end of the day you will say wena o tlo report how reporter ke bona ba bontshang ba jwetsa bo mang batho bao ba ileng go ba report ga ba nke ba etse mosebetsi wa bona. Wa utlwisisa now it's high time hore Mr. Beki Cele le Ntate Khehla ba etsa mosebetsi wa bona because Thabo now is one of the biggest ko ke mo ile go mona ka ibitsa something like a crime house ya South Africa Harare ya Free State ya South Africa everyone ha batla wetsa ntho ha empe o tla mo Welcome o tla ka rama chabeng this is so now we as PFA we want to make sure hore government ya rona in ka dintho tse ding serious like crime yes like crime as such because now gangsterism e ga ta ka machabeng ba etsa eng nothing ya utlwisisa yes kore o bona go bua ka crime ka ga machabeng re ka bua until tsatsi be le fela but ntho re tlamene re etse now we re tlamene re cut in short re etse sure hore lentswe la rona la utlwahala le fita setšhaba sa rona se a tseba hore re a se velua setšhaba sa rona se a tseba hore naneng ha ba mona machabeng because of a mistake setšhaba sa rona se a tseba hore machabeng ke place e leng go batlang ba be ka ra yona as much as Thabong e le place e right e re roletseng go yona e re batlang gore e be place e safe for bana ba rona ba tlotlala because gona le lentswe le reng le ke sa le batleng ka ga machabeng go to environment ena le impact bophelong ba ngwana but impact ena jwang wa utlwisisa is whether impact ena le yona is good or bad but mostly ka sheba out of 100% ya ke tse mhlala mona mo re leng teng mona 5% ya tswella 95% ha o kopana le bona mona mo kopo mo tsetetsana sharp ha o kopana le ena mo kopana le ena le jwang ke ntho ke nyaupe
about youth. We have seen that in Machabeng, like there's no youth development. Ba cha ba tswa go dikolong ba qetela ba sena mesebetsi ba dila fatshe ha ona internship ha ona leadership programs tse hlaela. So what is PFA going to do about it? Have in your political agenda or the ideologies, have you tabled those policies down to say we want to prioritize youth?
Yeah, as PFA ntho tse jwalo ke ntho tse re dutse mfatsa ka di sheba o dira bona so Kara PFA, re na into the present government, it is a fatshe batla motho no o suitable hore a ka rana dintho tse jwalo na. The present government no. But we as PFA, we want to make sure that is why maetapelo a rona ne go dutse fatshe lena re shebisana ka ntho tse etsahalang. Re bone hore naneng some of the things tse etsahalang sekolo se entswe hore bana ba tshabe wa bona but maetapelo a rona o entse sure hore re dule fatshe re bone na re etsa diplane tse jwang tsa hore naneng dintho tse so ga di etsala na bana ba rona o ke se sekolong re ke se buika di internship o yo letsa hore o ye mo ha o gutla mo o botlo ha e fela o bo sna next o etsa we as PFA we need more we re na le ano la hore after this internship what to do after you understand so now ha re batle go tlonka bana ba rona re nke go fe o fumane like now NSFAS mohlala go fa NSFAS wa tsamaya sekolo ha o gutla o tlo ba morwalo go fa student loan ha o gutla o tlo korota go batswadi ba hao ke eng is gore ke ntho e lo fitlang ga batswadi ba hao sekoloto se no re batswadi ba bana expect le gore ka o tswalla pela bofutsa tsamao ya sekolong o gutla sekolong o tlo etsa jwang o tlo ba a difference ka lapa la rona so now as PFA re di checkile ntho tse ka ofela gore na rona ka tlamele re bona hore re ke se o fe internship after that re sa tlo empower wa utlwisisa we re tlamele go fe ntho internship go empower re tlamele go fe NSFAS re tsebe gore after NSFAS where to after degree tsa hao re se ka gona di degree ka tebe go tlo bona o tlo pusha gore o tlo ba a labor o tlo pusha criminal. What is the use of school? How can you push them private? There's no need. But as PFA, he should be done to the work of faith. Or just so clear, of money, student loan, or Hutamona, or both of money, at the end of the day, or to end up away now, Uyakai, or blacklisted, even though so startling, the life here how, because of Honopata. Well, this is. But as PFA should be okay, the present government, high hatal, well, this is. Now, but no. Cuba. But as PFA, these people are Cuba. If ever only the points right for medical school, they know how patal. but they may the people of Free State as the present government no, they don't. The only thing they buy is how everything is for free. But Rona's PFA, we want to make sure harassing cutting to the raw. Or this is a merchandise thing.
How can people be convinced to follow PFA?
Yeah, PFA people about recognize more. But Kibatore was a chap, Kaufela, Samachabing, Free State, South Africa. PFA, the solution. You're interested in Kaufela. Because PFA, yes, most of the organizations that they did work out the battle fast. But did they make the research or now will facilitate how about